In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to read a pair of dial calipers. If you look closely at these, you can see that our dial is not at 0. So we're going to take and twist this, loosen this little knob, and then we're going to set it right on 0. Once we have it on 0, we're going to tighten that knob back down. We're going to loosen this knob. We're going to open up our calipers pretty good ways. This is a little micro SD card shield or Arduino, and we're going to measure this very precisely. Stick one edge in there, and then roll it back until it connects firmly with that. And on that knob up top, we're going to tighten it back down to hold our reading. If you look closely here, you can see there's numbers right here. And you can see this one is reading a little over 1.6. It's showing this is 1.6 inches here. And then we're going to go over to the dial. It shows us at 1.658 inches. 1.658 inches. 1.658 inches. Now to measure the other side, loosen that knob, and then we're going to stick it in, and we're going to tighten it back down. We're going to tighten that knob up top, and we're going to look at it again. This time it's showing about 0.953 inches. 0.953 inches. That's all there is to reading dial calipers, so they're that simple.